Afternoon movie matinee now.
YSU, WS.
Coming to you on whatever
WYSU.
channel you receive it on, and produced at the facilities of YSU, WYSU, here in Surprise University. It's the NBC affiliate for southwestern Kansas, reaching into northern Oklahoma, to our south, north, into Dodge City, the home of so many colorful and just plain black and white shootouts between the U.S. Marshal and those who would try to outdraw him. And that's been going on right up until the last few days. You know, it always amazes tourists who visit us here in southwestern Kansas to find that this kind of thing is still going on. But of course, the Wild West is still alive and going great guns hereabouts. The cattle drives with their attendant drunken cowboys arriving most every Saturday night to challenge the deadlines have been replaced perhaps by drunken office workers who pour into the saloons on Friday evening after a week of facing their own deadlines. Well, what have we got going today here on the show? I'll be with you from now until the wee hours, depending on when you pick up that remote. But let me say once again, it is Noir Month, once again here at the Matinee. It seems like only a month or so ago that we had Noir Month, but it may be. It's a popular genre among our viewers, many of whom work in the noir hours and get home just in time to wake up from a quick nap and watch our program. So we'll no doubt be seeing some of those great old classics, most of which are the Maltese Falcon, featuring many of your favorite movie stars, most of which are Humphrey Bogart. And just a word to the wide, if this is your first time with us here at Movie Matinee, well, it's a little more interactive than it was back in your mother's time. Due to the flexible reality of today's media markets, you can pick and choose which features you want to see on today's afternoon movie matinee. As you know, and your mother should know, we have a wide variety of special features, contests, special features, and even a few segments that will be surprising to you to wander through in between segments of the movie. Just look for the words Movie Matinee at the top of every one of our listings, and that way you will know that you are getting an official feature or featurette which has been handpicked by me or our producer, Ms. Monica St. Lakeshore. Who you doing? Or I should say, how you doing, Monica?
Well, I'm okay.
Anyway, when she's not producing our program, Monica can be also found down at the Modern Babylonians Comedy Club at 1111. Did I get enough ones in it this time, Mon?
That's a good one, Ray.
1111 East Western Avenue in Dodge, where she lights up the joint with her special brand of...
You kill me, Ray.
No, I do, kid. We'll be starting the movie in just a minute, but first, this important word. If you're ever looking for a good deal on frozen carrots, well, don't look here. But Juan's special trailer of albums frozen in time always has the best in LPs, CDs, Cassiopes, and most other mediums which have had their day. Featuring this week in the best of the British invasion, and that was the only invasion if you ask me, 45s for $45, LPs for the cost of manufacture, and cassettes are always a dime at Juan's. And if you have some to sell, Juan has a long tradition of giving you the best price you will accept on anything issued in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. So go on down to Juan's. You know where it is. All right, so on to the movie now. Turn on your black and white lights, and we'll see you in a little while in one of the featurettes you choose. Hello? Yes, one. I see. Got it. Muy bien. Well, apparently they are no longer buying records from the years 1976 through 1981. Hey, Monica, who handles the Juan account? She's already left? Okay. Well, anyway, this is Professor Oliveira, and I will see you in just a few. The following PSA is worth one viewer feature choice on Movie Matinee. Oliveira here. This man is one of a growing number of Americans who suffer from one of the newest of the afflictions to beset modern urban citizens, and it is called restless head syndrome, or RHS. This insidious ailment is characterized by involuntary jerking of the head, accompanied by aimless wandering of the eyes with attendant moving of the head in unnatural ways. Now, victims of this condition say that these symptoms, which may last from 5 minutes to 2 hours or more, but which often disrupt normal sleep, usually occur late in the evening while watching television or trying to focus on one's mobile phone, and that this combination of involuntary movements is not only tortuous to bear, but often has after effects which can impede one's occupation for up to a day following an attack. Although there is not yet a specific medical treatment for RHS, your personal healthcare provider can sometimes suggest medications which may help relieve the symptoms. For more information about RHS, visit myrestlesshead.com or consult your physician. And this has been a public service spot from your afternoon movie matinee. You have now used your available feature option time for this movie break. You may use the same feature for movie breaks as many times as you wish, but you may only choose one feature per break. We now return to our afternoon movie matinee movie.